What is going on, everybody? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the new Redmi K20 Pro against the OnePlus 7 Pro. Both of the phones have the Snapdragon 855 CPU and 8GB of RAM, a heavily skinned version of Android versus a clean version of Android. The Redmi K20 Pro is supposed to be the new flagship killer 2.0 taken over from OnePlus. Will it beat the OnePlus 7 Pro? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Redmi K20 Pro. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Then we have the OnePlus 7 Pro. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and also 8GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the OnePlus 7 Pro wins by 1 point. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the OnePlus 7 Pro wins again by 1 point. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the OnePlus 7 Pro won by 1 point. In round 2, the OnePlus 7 Pro won again by 1 point. As for the price difference, the Redmi K20 Pro costs nearly half the price of the OnePlus 7 Pro, and it will also differ on where you buy it from, as there could be import charges. The Redmi K20 Pro is an amazing device, and you're getting a lot for your money. You're getting a full screen display, the latest specs with the Snapdragon 855 CPU, and it has a decent camera. As for the OnePlus 7 Pro, it is overall a more polished device. It has a cleaner version of Android. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It has stereo speakers, UFS 3.0 and USB 3.1, and it also has that premium feel to it. If pricing is not an issue, I would go for the OnePlus 7 Pro. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do you own or plan to buy any of these phones? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as there are more videos coming up including camera comparisons. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.